Let's continue now with the reaction of acid halides and anhydrides. First, we are going to start with preparation of acid halides. You can start from carboxylic acid with thionyl chloride or phosphorus tribromide in ether. So in both cases, you are going to yield acid halides. One case chloride, one case bromide. Now let's move to the reactions. Conversion into carboxylic acid acids by hydrolysis. It requires some pyridine as a base to neutralize the hydrochloric acid that is created during the process. So you're going to get carboxylic acid. Let's move further. Conversion into anhydrides. In this case, you can use acid halide, but also a salt. A carboxylic acid treated with a base to form a salt, a soluble salt, and react with acid halide. And in ether, you're going to have the formation of anhydride. Right? Let's move further. Conversion into esters or alcoholysis. In this case, you can react an acid halide with alcohol in the presence of pyridine, again for the same reason, to prevent the acidification of the process. You're going to yield esters. Acid halides are very reactive. Conversion into amides, aminolysis. Only mono and disubstituted amides are possible. Trisubstituted amides are not possible. What we are going to react, we need two equivalents, one to neutralize the hydrochloric acid, one to attach to form the amide. In case the amide is expensive, you can use one equivalent of base, such as sodium hydroxide is a cheap one, and the base, and one equivalent of this base. If you two equivalent of this one, or one of this and one of this. So the product is going to be the same. Right? Let's move to conversion into primary or tertiary alcohols. Primary is possible with lithium aluminum hydrate. In this case, it goes through two stages. First, you have the formation, because lithium aluminum hydrate, consider that as an hydride that strikes or attacks straight to the carbon at the carbonyl, and it goes in two steps. First the aldehyde, and after that convert to the alcohol, and is a primary alcohol. In case you treat with Grignard reagent, the story is the same, but as an intermediate is going to be formed first as a ketone, and after that another step proceeds and form a tertiary alcohol. Right? Let's move further. Conversion into ketones, Gilman reagent. It is possible only for acid chlorides. It's possible this reaction, you can convert that to a ketone with Gilman reagent. Now, preparation of anhydrides. You can prepare that with a salt from the carboxylic acid and acid halide in the presence of the ether, so it's going to form anhydride. Right? Let's move further. Conversion into esters, alcoholysis. In this case, you can react with an alcohol in the presence of a base. You're going to yield the ester plus the remaining part that is going to remain as a salt. Right? Next, what we have, conversion into amides, aminolysis. Here you are going to have the formation of the amide. You have to be careful, if it has an ACH3, you're going to place it here. Do not break this here. It remains even here the salt. Right? Let's move further. Conversion into alcohols, hydrolysis or reduction. You can do hydrolysis with water and the formation of the acetic acid with lithium aluminum hydride. In two stages, first you form an aldehyde, and after that you form an alcohol. Right? That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and look forward to see you in the next video that is related with the reaction of the esters and amides. Up until there, peace.